谢谢。Now, we made it to Taidong Night Market. Now we're going to go and check this place out and grab a bite to eat. It's evening, so people are going to come out and grab some dinner. But let's go. This market goes all the way down there, all the way to the end. So it's a pretty big place to come and get some food. They sell all sorts of things here. Just over here, someone's selling some pig's feet. I don't know if you can see in the corner there. Let's check here. Hey, ni hao. Hey, now. Hey, bro, do you speak English?
Yeah.
Nice, man. What do you guys sell?
This is Pani Puri.
Pani Puri?
Yeah.
What's it like? Indian food?
Huh?
Indian food?
Yes.
Nice, man. Yeah, I'll have one. I'll have one. Yeah, this place gets quite busy, right? At night
Yeah,
time?
at night time.
Yeah, it gets pretty busy. So what's your name?
Nava.
Lavan.
Nava.
Navan. Nice to meet you. Wesley. Whereabouts in India are you from?
South.
South? What, like, Delhi? Or is it Mumbai?
Delhi is
In the north? Okay.
from Kerala.
Oh, where?
Kerala.
Kerala?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. In Kerala, like Kerala?
Yeah.
I know. I thought it's in the north, Kerala.
No.
It's in the south. Okay.
Ever been to India?
Pardon?
Ever been to India?
Nah, I want to go. Yeah. Whenever I hear about Kerala, I always see the football.
Yeah,
It's famous for football, right?
Yeah. You're from?
I'm from England.
England.
Yeah, man.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too, man.
Your good name?
Wesley.
Wesley.
Yeah, what's yours?
Nava.
Navan, I see you said Navan. In Kerala, I heard a lot of people have English names because back in the day they used to be Christians, right? Yeah.
In England, there are many Kerala now.
Really?
Yeah.
If I go to India, I want to go there. Like I always see football videos from Kerala. What is it? What is this?
This is Pani Puri.
What's inside? Is it like a flour
It's
or?
mashed potato.
Oh, like mashed potatoes.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is like a batter.
Yeah. This is meat flour.
Oh, okay. Wheat flour.
Yeah.
Right. Nice. Okay, so you got all these like spices and things.
This is different.
Is that something else? Alright, you go ahead. I'll try some. Put in some sauce. Alright. How much do I owe you?
50.
50?
Yeah.
50?
1.5.
Oh, 1.5. Oh, nice man. Cool. It comes to like £2, pretty cheap. 50.
Yeah,
Oh, cool. Cheers, buddy. Alright. Oh, do you mind you hold the camera? Or can you eat it? Alright, let's give these a go. How do I eat it? Do I just all in one?
Yeah.
All in one? It's quite big. Alright, well, let's go. How's it? It's like tomato, kind of.
Yeah.
It's like salsa.
This one is tomato and this one is mint.
Nice. Alright, cheers, man. Thanks. Alright, guys, this is called Pani Puri from India. So, any Indian fans, guys, this is bloody nice. It tastes like Mexican salsa. Alright, guys, I found somewhere to eat. Finish off this Pani Puri, but yeah, bloody nice. These. Alright, let's give these a go. Fucking, I make a right mess. So in the middle has got some like salsa, and the outside is like some wheat coating. But yeah, really nice. Oh, that's bloody nice. Yeah, so that came to around £2, so pretty cheap. So it's getting quite busier now. Let's have. I saw this on the corner. Let's go try this one. It looks like a wrap. So you got different meats. Let's give it a go. Everything here is super cheap. It's like no more than like £1. Now, just a new roll, ma. A new roll? New roll? Yeah. Iga? Yeah. So this lady here is selling these kind of pies. They look quite good. I just saw them as I was eating down there, and she just bakes them in this little oven behind her, so you kind of get the idea of this whole operation. Alright, shush it. Let's pay for this. So that came to like £1, so ARB, not too expensive. Alright, let's give this a go. Cool. Alright, shush it. Alright, let's give this little bun a try. Now, it's warm. Fiddly holding this in one hand. Alright, let's give this a try. It's like beef. Very nice. There's got some like vegetables in the middle. Yeah, pretty good. Give like a 7 out of 10. 好吃，好吃。Pretty good, nice. So that's what I was saying. Like in China, a lot of cities like their meat, so this must be like from the north, I guess. And now, just tteokbokki. Cool. Like tteokbokki, right? Tteokbokki.
多少一块？
The name means tteokbokki.
年糕。
Yeah, 年糕 yeah.
年糕。
一个。
来一份。
Yeah, 一个 yeah. 一点点。Yeah, cool, yeah.
有。
Yeah.
OK。
Yeah, it's okay. Alright. 是啊。
对，哎对。是哪里人？
英国。
英国。
Yeah.
啊，英国人。打包直接吃。
Yeah, here.
直
Yeah.
接吃，哎。
谢谢。对。Thank you.
这活我干不了。
谢谢。
OK，拜拜。
Bye. Alright guys, look at this, a taste. This came to like 22, just on like tteokbokki. I was speaking to her, she was saying the Chinese, I was saying the Korean name. But yeah, let's put this down here, give it a taste. Alright, on the little stand here. No, I'm on a little chair, this table's so small. Alright, let's give this a go. Some like rice cakes basically, that you can buy from the shop. Good, not a spicy one. Without tomato. Oh, pretty good. Really soft and chewy. Oh, give me quite a lot as well. Oh, nice. Korean kind of style. And not that spicy though. Pretty good. Wow, look at this lady selling some kind of seashells and oysters and all sorts of food. But let's keep going, let's keep walking down and see what else they're selling here. Lots of different foods I'm seeing. Even here, got some kind of meats and things like this. It looks like some kind of egg. So yeah, have a look around. So as I was saying earlier, different parts of China will have their own kind of food, and that's what you're seeing here as well. Let's have a look. Different foods here. Lots of seafood. So if you're a fan of seafood, perfect place to come. Wow, look at these ladies selling some meats. Anyhow, just 什么? 猪肉. Okay. Okay, 猪肉. Okay. Can I get 两个?
三个。
两个。
10块钱3个。
10块, okay, yeah, 对，10块钱, okay. So literally just 50p for a couple of kebabs. So that's what she's selling here, just cooking them on this barbecue. Really common in China to have this kind of style meat. 10块, yeah?
10。
Oh, 10块. Oh, 10块, okay. Oh, 10, I misheard her. So I just came to 10, pretty cheap.
辣椒。
Yeah, yeah.
3点点。
Yeah, 一点点, yeah. It's okay. Bit of spice. So yeah, the lady says you can have it spicy or not spicy. Spring it up on the top. Ah, shishi. Okay, so we've got 3 skewers. Alright, we've got my hands full now. Need to find somewhere else to eat this. But let's give it a bite, let's give it a try. Trying to film and eat this at the same time is like impossible. Trying to hold these skewers together. Pretty good, this skewer. Yeah, so all you can see down here, different kind of different stands for meats and drinks. Go all down the street. And it goes all the way down there as well. But yeah, I'll give this like a 5 out of 10. Pretty good, this one. It's not that bad. Nice. But let's finish this and then let's keep heading down. So far we had a bit of Indian food, a bit of Chinese skewers. Down here, all different kind of skewers as well that you can find, from like fish, things like this. It's like a wrap this lady's selling. So yeah, all sorts of things. Wow. These are from the north, there's some ribs here. Oh, they look pretty good. Let's have a look. Wow, look at this big rib. Let's give it a try. 你好，老板。On the phone. 你好，这是什么？
2排
3排 ，OK， 多少钱一个？30。Okay, 一个。Let's get one of these ago. This is quite nice. We've got some big ribs. They're like something like this. Hey guys, whilst waiting for that to cook, I just saw this on the side. Bloody hell! Look at this. Got some duck's heads. Wow, 还有什么？
鸭头鸭脖.
Okay, right. So you've got some like duck heads. I don't know if you can see. It's got the beak and stuff. Bloody hell. That's like a duck. Yeah, you can really see the animal there. Bloody hell. I don't know if you'd eat that. I don't think I would, but interesting. Man. It's the kind of food you can find in these markets, from normal meats to full heads of animals. Okay, this guy's giving us our rib. Dolchen, Sansha? Sansha? Okay, let's pay for this. Comes to 30. Probably the most expensive thing we bought, so. Yeah, so it comes to 30. Not too bad. Give us a little bag as well. Okay. Alright, it's giving us a bag, so we can actually carry this one around. Great, okay, let's get a drink to go with this. I'm so thirsty. Alright, shishi. Okay. Oh. So yeah, I think we're getting towards the crazy end of the market. So I just saw those duck heads, but also next door are some starfish you can buy. And so you can get some duck head for like 12 RMB, don't know if you can see that. Like it's 50p for $1. Or you can come here and get yourself some starfish. So yeah, let's head back down there quickly. I saw a place to get a drink, so let's go and do that. Now, mango? Mango juice? Yeah, 一个 mango, 这个 this one.
哪些？
Okay, yeah, milkshake. Yeah.
小的大的。
大的. Yeah, get a big one. Okay, this guy's gonna serve us some mangoes. So yeah, the mangoes in China all come from the south. As I was saying, in that same place called Hainan, near the Philippines. So this guy cuts that all up. And this next door has durian. This is like a smelly fruit that they sell. If you want to get yourself some durian cake, this stuff kind of grows in Thailand as well, also south of China. For Dolchen? Dolchen?
17.
17. Okay, it's just 17, so about £2 for those. Alright, legend. Shishi. Alright, so we got ourselves some mango juice. Let's give it a try. Good, yeah, how oh, shishi. Alright, that was good. Okay, so let's find somewhere to drink and eat this, and we got our rib as well. So my hands are full. Let's sit down. Alright, let's sit down back. Sit down where we were last time. Just on the side here. What have we got here? Alright. This will be fucking hard to eat. Okay, so we got this rib here. Let's give it a try. So it's pretty big. I don't want to take it all out of the packet and go everywhere. We've got this huge rib, which was like 30. Let's give it a bite. Covered in different spices. Yeah, let's give it a try. That was good. It's like barbecue. Oh man, that is so good. It's got like some kind of soy sauce on it as well. You can lather it in some sauce and sprinkle on some spices. Let's wash it down with some mango juice. Has some like jelly balls inside. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, really fresh. You like cut up the mangoes. So fresh mango juice with a big rib. And this place has some good food here. So you can find like really exotic food, like duck heads, or you can just go straight for meats or noodles, things like this. Alright guys, we tried most of the food here. Hopefully I've given it a good experience of what you can buy here. But we're going to head down this street and we're going to find more things we can get. But that's probably the best place to go if you're going to go grab some food. It has so many different places that you can go and eat. But we still got the mango juice. It's pretty good, this one. So let's cut through so it's not so busy. And this area sells more food, but also you can find clothes and gadgets and things like this. So let's go do that.